No, me people want to ask on something. Want to ask on something in that one here. Because who remember coal stove? As a matter of fact, who remember kerosene stove? The 2-burner kerosene stove them. Who remember peanut phone or Nokia 3310? Who remember them one there? Who remember when last them put on some grey funnel or some cool water? Maybe even some razor lotion. You remember that lotion there? When last one put on that? Who remember when 2 channels used to be on TV? CVM, TVJ. Who remember black and white TV? Who remember them something there? Who remember the click on the TV them? Remember that? Well, me don't want to tell me about savings account. It outdated. Back in the past. Long time thing that. So when me hear uno jump up and talk about uno have look savings put on, or uno do look susu, or uno do look partner, at the same old game uno still play today. Now hold on, before me go no further, me say this. I am not a certified financial advisor, nor am I your financial advisor. So wherever me go say to uno please go ahead and go do your own research. Got that? Good. Me could go on. Now me introduce you to inflation. Inflation in Jamaica is about 3.80%. Inflation in America is about 2.4%. Why them number the important, Andre? Is because most of pay not increasing by 4% every year. So when the goods and services go up at 3% or 3.8% every single year, I want to pay stay the same way. I want over there show susu, I want over there a save. The number is very important. So that means in order to stop take the beat up, in order to stay in the game, in order to don't feel like we get left behind, you have to understand them number here. The average savings account pays a low annual percentage yield, APY, of around 0.39%, according to data from September 2025. However, you can significantly increase your earnings by opening a high-yield savings account, which can offer an APY of 4% to over 5%, depending on the institution. Now, why me just read that? It's to show no clear as daylight, say, on savings now go keep up. Forget about partner, that not even exist. Them they are old time thing, long time thing. And it clearly also show you say they have system in place who are going to help you to counteract that. So before me go, let me just say investing is definitely one moving part of this whole economic thing. So if you don't want to keep up, you have to do something different. You have to learn the things that you need to learn in order to keep up with people who just keep moving forward. So just like when now tell me about on a 3310, and just like when now use on a peanut phone, I want to have on a new iPhone 16. Come on, guys, get with it. See you up on the next one, all right?